Let's talk about peonies. I love peonies. I have a whole long sidewalk full of peonies. They're very sentimental. They're my mom's. They came from my mom's house. Actually, they came from our first house we lived in when I was a child. Then they moved up to the house where I lived a lot of my teenage years. And then when I moved my mom here to live with me in this house to take care of my mom and dad, we dug up her peonies and brought them up here. So these are peonies that have been with me since my childhood, and I love them. And my mom would just, as they would get big, she would just spread any little baby, she would just tuck in here and there, and it's just full and gorgeous. And they're those watermelon red ones that bloom every Memorial Day. It doesn't matter when Memorial Day is, they're always in bloom, and they're huge and gorgeous. So one of the things I really enjoyed for a few years, I would just kind of Facebook the town and say, hey, my peonies are blooming. Anybody needs some for Memorial Day, come cut. And I said, and I might be busy, so just cut. Bring some scissors. If not, I've got some in the garage. Just come cut and make some bouquets. And it's kind of turned into a tradition. And then I started thinking about it. And if I have a bride who is actually getting married on Memorial Day weekend, which it happens, I offer my peonies. Sometimes it works out with their color scheme, sometimes it doesn't. But there's usually, at least every season, one bride who will cut. And it's great. They can bring like big coolers, like you could 5 big coolers, and just cut, and just fill your coolers up and take them. And I've seen their tables decorated with them, and it's just gorgeous. It's really fun, and I appreciate having something that I can just offer from my heart that's very sentimental to me. And on their wedding, that's a cool sentimental day, and so I feel good sharing my peonies with people, and it's been a real fun thing. It pinches my heart just a little bit. It makes me miss my mom a little bit. It's like I'm giving them a piece of my mom too. And so that's a peony story. I just really like them, and I think they're an amazing bridal flower. They really are just so chubby and fluffy. I love them. So that's it.